5 Best Camera for Vlogging in 2023. As the popularity of vlogging continues to rise, having a reliable camera that can capture high-quality footage has become more important than ever. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger or just starting out, finding the best camera for vlogging can be a daunting task. With so many options available on the market, it can be difficult to know where to start. However, fear not. In this, we'll guide you through some of the best cameras for vlogging that are currently available, taking into consideration factors such as image quality, portability, and price. 5. Sony Alpha ZV-E10, Overall Best Vlogging Camera. Sony has officially surpassed Canon and Nikon as the leading camera brand, and this camera makes that fact abundantly clear. Your films will be amazingly clear and have exceptional clarity even when put in slow motion thanks to the 4K video capabilities and the capacity to shoot 120 frames per second. Personally, we had no idea that mirrorless cameras of this size and kind could support interchangeable lenses. Although a variety of lenses are available for this camera, the 16 to 50mm lens is the one that is most frequently attached to it. This camera is on the more costly end of the vlogging camera market at $800 when purchased with the lens. But even so, this camera is a top-notch apparatus. Megapixels, 24.2 MP, weight 0.8 pounds of video resolution, 4K frames per second, up to 120 FPS. Price, $800 at Amazon. 4. DJI Pocket 2, Valuable Vlogging Camera. When I first held one of these DJI Pocket cameras, I was astounded at how it could produce images that were superior to those from my iPhone 13. Since then, I've added it to my Amazon wishlist. Its lightweight design makes it portable. With its 3-axis gimbal, this camera can shoot high-movement footage with exceptional smoothness. Your subject will remain in the shot while maintaining a smooth continuity thanks to ActiveTrack 3.0 technology. The DJI Pocket 2's 64MP camera can capture images with an 8x zoom despite its little size. However, you don't need to zoom in to take the greatest pictures with this camera. The improved 1/1.7-inch sensor and the 20mm f/1.8 lens creates a wide view to capture panoramic shots, large group selfies, and amazing time-lapses. Megapixels, 64MP, weight, 0.26 pounds, digital zoom, 8x video resolution, 4K frames per second, up to 60 FPS. Price, $349 at Amazon. 3. GoPro Hero 10 Black, Vlogging Camera for Video Frame Rate. Brand loyalty is quite strong in the photography profession. I will keep purchasing these Canon items as long as nothing extraordinary convinces me to switch. This camera weighs exactly what it is quoted at without an interchangeable lens. A lightweight camera is the best method to ensure steadiness when vlogging, which calls for a steady hand. It is one of the tiniest vlogging cameras of this caliber and is lightweight as well. This camera can live stream to YouTube directly from your camera and can record 4K footage at 30 frames per second. With 1080p resolution, you can obtain 120 frames per second if you prefer a faster frame rate. Megapixels, 23MP, weight, 0.34 pounds, digital zoom, 2x video resolution, 5.3K frames per second, up to 240 FPS. Price, $349 at Amazon. 2. Sony ZV-1, Versatile Vlogging Camera. You should consider all of the different uses for the camera before investing money in a vlogging camera. Versatility is important in the camera market, whether it is for videography, sports photography, or landscape photography. This camera can film continuously at up to 21 frames per second, making it useful for more than simply video. This camera offers fantastic chances to capture moving objects. This camera, like the most of the others on this list, has an adjustable 3-inch LCD display so you can see what you're recording. Megapixels, 21MP, weight, 0.65 pounds, digital zoom, 44x video resolution, 4K frames per second, up to 120 FPS. Price, $738 at Amazon. 1. Canon PowerShot G7X miii, vlogging camera for Canon users. Brand loyalty is quite strong in the photography profession. I will keep purchasing these Canon items as long as nothing extraordinary convinces me to switch. This camera weighs exactly what it is quoted at without an interchangeable lens. A lightweight camera is the best method to ensure steadiness when vlogging, which calls for a steady hand. It is one of the tiniest vlogging cameras of this caliber and is lightweight as well. This camera can live stream to YouTube directly from your camera and can record 4K footage at 30 frames per second. With 1080p resolution, you can obtain 120 frames per second if you prefer a faster frame rate. Megapixels, 20.1 MP, body weight, 0.67 pounds, digital zoom, 4.2x, video resolution, 4K frames per second, up to 120 fps. Price, $339 at Amazon.